Security starts at the front door with the LTS Video Doorbell. See images in true Full HD 1080p with 180-degree panoramic field of view. When compared against competitors, the LTS Video Doorbell is slimmer, sleeker, lighter. Wi-Fi capable, two-way audio, built-in IR sensor rated at IP54, and DVR/NVR compatible. Just connect to existing doorbell cables. Get onboard storage options up to 128 gigabytes. Suitable for all types of homes and styles with 4 color plates included. Call your trusted security consultant today.
Introducing the August Doorbell Cam. See and speak with visitors at your door, even when you're away from home. When somebody rings your August Doorbell Cam, you'll be instantly notified through your August app. With the one-way HD video camera and two-way audio, greet visitors just like you were at home.
Hello?
How you doing? I have a package for delivery?
I'll unlock the door. Please leave it on the table.
Oh, yeah, sure.
No more deliveries left on the doorstep.
All right, have a great day.
You can even check that your door is locked after your visitor leaves, right from the August app. Cam, know who's at your door even when you're not home. Receive instant alerts when visitors arrive at your door. Protect your privacy with two-way audio and one-way HD video. And have peace of mind with recorded video. Whether you missed a visitor or want to replay a conversation, Doorbell Cam records each interaction at your door. The August Doorbell Cam is part of the August Home Access System. Welcome to a life that's more simple and secure.